Rodimus Bill here. Today we're going to do block Lego figure Iron Spider from Infinity War. Here he is in the package. Basically front, back, and now let's take him out and build him. Alright, Rodimus Bill here again, and now Connor is going to build you the Lego. Alright, Connor, build him. Hold on. And here is Iron Spider. And we're going to take a look at him up close. There's Spider-Man's face. You got the cool Iron Spider outfit. You got the gold, you got the black, you got the blue, you got the feet. You got these other legs in the back. You got a black backpack. And I assume this is like a web. You can... Oh, wow, these arms are hard. There you go. He could, and you can make him swing. I don't know how, but yeah, he was decorated like that in the store. Alright, let's look at Iron Spider again. The head, 360 degrees. Arms, without the, oh, they only move that far up and they hit the head. Back. They run to the backpack. Let's get them off the stand. Feet, set 90 degrees. You could split them. They go almost 90 back. No waist rotation. And then the Iron Spider legs are on hinges. Just the one hinge. The one hinge. The one hinge. The one hinge. Oh yeah, and they go off. You saw Connor build them. And he comes with one extra hand. I'm not sure why, in case you lose it. And we'll stick him back on his platform. And there is Iron Spider with extra web. Alright, I hope you like this. Oh, and for comparisons, here he is with a Voltron / block Lego. We'll do a die-cast mini Voltron, and we will throw in a deluxe Titan Returns Twinferno, and we'll compare him with a Transformers Titan Master. And there you go. Alright, so there is Iron Spider Lego / block review. Hope you enjoy this. Please like, please subscribe to my channel. We do a whole bunch of other stuff, and as always, Rodimus Bill, signing off.